So let's talk about long-term care. We are reaching an unprecedented population over the age 65 entering retirement. Stats Canada says that 38% will be over the age 50 by the year 2016. There will be double the demand for elder care over the next 25 years. And there are not enough Canadian workers to help pay for health care through taxes. It used to be 1 senior for every 3.5 workers. It is now 3 seniors for every 1 worker. We can't pick up the newspaper or listen to the news without hearing that our healthcare system is in trouble. The healthcare reality, the frail elderly represent 3% of the population and 30% of healthcare spending and 63% of beds in Ontario, hospital beds in Ontario. The likelihood of living to age 100 has increased, and so we will require some form of care. 44% of males and 72% of females over the age of 65 are expected to have a cognitive impairment or require help with 2 of the activities of daily living for more than 90 days. 1/3 will require institutional care for cognitive or mobility issues. So who will look after us? While a valid concern for many people do say, I'll be healthy, my family will look after me, there'll be enough money, my spouse will have enough money when I'm gone, or the government will pay for it. So who will look after us? Our spouse, our child, a relative, a friend, and what burden are we putting on them? Both health, time, and financial. Where do you want to live? Do you want to live in your home while you're receiving care, in the facility, or do you want to move to be with your family and get the care? And does that require a move out of province? How much will it cost, and how long will the care be required for? Home care. The government will partially or fully fund basic level services, but not all services are covered, and some have limits. Those with low to high-end home care needs still end up paying for uncovered services in the hundreds to thousands of dollars a month. Public home care hours are constantly being reduced, and the government recently announced a shift to funding cheaper home care in the community away from expensive hospitals and long-term care facilities. So what does that mean for quality of care in the home when there's more needed? What can adversely affect your retirement plan, a retirement plan? Living too long, dying too soon, or becoming ill. Has that retirement plan been crash tested for a long-term care situation? With the markets behaving in the low interest environments, will there be enough money to fund a long-term care situation? So why choose a long-term care insurance plan? It will provide independence and dignity, the choice of where you live and how much care you get, and a quality of life. At IPG, we work with advisors and long-term care suppliers. If you're not crash testing your client's retirement plan, uncovering the risks, and talking about long-term care, somebody else will. So please, just have the conversation.